Seneca Rocks 2020.
We're just gonna go there, sleep, then go find the other side.
Ellen, do you have anything to say?
Just trucking along here.
Fourth,
Also, we're eating pretzels.
4th of July weekend,
Woo!
2025.
Woo!
Should be a relaxing weekend.
Woohoo! Mom's in the back. Woohoo! How about we go there and we get we'll get some rockets at the
So
Look at that field.
So what?
rockets at the maybe we'll get some rockets at the store. Then
Fireworks.
we'll send them fireworks off at the store. Then we'll send them off at on top of Seneca Rocks.
Well, we'll have to see if we can find the fireworks dinosaur. I think we missed him last year.
How's that happen?
If you have any questions, let us know, okay?
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Just for coming in to see us.
Wow.
We don't have to do nothing else.
Look at that. What do you kids say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We saw 2 logos so far.
And 4 deer.
How about that one? Use the fire sign. That's how we know that we can buy it. That one, Dad.
Find a third one? Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, let's get some cash. We made it to Seneca Rocks. Got to get our bunkhouse. There's the climbing store. Get our bunkhouse. Let's go in.
Made it.
Oh.
So last year they sold out of ice cream, or they were just down to banana ice cream by the end of the weekend. We always like to get ice cream after a hike. But let's see what they got. Knox, want to read off the ice cream flavors? Oh, they've got tons of ice cream.
Peach, cotton candy.
Peach, cotton.
I'll have cotton candy. I'll have cotton candy.
Okay, after our rock climb tomorrow. After our rock climb, get some ice cream.
Raspberry chocolate.
Yeah.
Once. The TP. TP 1, TP 2, TP 3, TP 4, Somebody got another? Hey, don't, that's gonna waste. Whoa. They're like 3 at a time. Look! Look, Dad, look.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, there's duds in here. Oh my gosh, there's so many duds.
Okay, Ellen, what's on the menu for the first night?
We have a Caesar salad here with chicken, eggs, bacon, homemade croutons.
Blue cheese.
Also, we got some fireflies.
It's true.
And some bacon.
Bacon.